Good morning. We're at Iron Gate Campground and we're about ready to start our hike. The trailhead's just up around the corner, so let's go. Sign in the trail register, 8:30 a.m. on Saturday. And there's Ron. And we have come to our first trail marker. We are going to go to the left. We're going towards Hamilton Mesa, and then we'll be taking Rociada Trail to Mora Flats. How is the overlook?
Nice.
Yeah?
I mean, you set a tent up right there, and that'd be your view when you got up in the morning. He's got a spot.
That's where we're headed. Nice trail so far through the forest. Head on out. The trail is skirting the ridgeline here with these views. Wow. And we came to our junction. Hamilton Mesa goes to the left, and Rociada Trail goes to the right, down to Mora Flats. We have arrived at the fence gate. I think we're supposed to go through the gate and make sure it shuts behind us. Okay. we have arrived at Mora Flats, and it's beautiful. There are some rain clouds coming over us right now, so I think we're gonna look for a camp spot and see what's available. We haven't seen another single hiker. We did see some trail workers on the trail about, I don't know, a third of the way down. But that's been the only people we've seen, so we're gonna find us a campsite. And Ron has found us a perfect camp spot. There's a nice fire ring with rocks, a nice stool over there. It's a log to sit on, and a couple of nice flat clean places to put our tent. Perfect. Oh, and somebody made us some art. So I want to give you a tour of our camp now. We have our tent set up with the rainfly. Found a really nice spot. Wasn't perfectly level, but it'll do. There is a huge fire ring over here, and some benches people made with logs and rocks. And Ron strung us up a nice tarp here, and just in time because we had thunder, so he busily got this rigged up real fast over this bench, and about the time it was done, kaboom, we had rain. Only lasted maybe half an hour. But it is that time of year here in the Pecos Wilderness, so we're getting our food out shortly. Got our cook stove. Gonna fix some dinner. There's our food bag. Ron set up a bear bag hanging in the tree back in the woods there for tonight to secure our food. And we made a little latrine back over this way. So life is good, right? Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Yeah. So in just a few steps from our campsite area, we have a place to fill up our water, which we did as soon as we set up tent. We had several rain showers in the afternoon, but then the sun came out So we were able to tour around Mora Flats area and check out the meadows. We didn't see any elk or deer or cattle today, but it sure was beautiful. Trees are starting to fill in up on the burn scar from about 10 years ago. You can see small aspens peeking through the dead wood. We went to bed pretty early, as soon as it got dark really, around 8 p.m. Sunday morning, a little after 8 a.m. We're all packed up and we're ready to go. What'd you think of Mora Flats?
Nice and quiet. A little bit of rain. It's good.
Yeah? Yeah, it rained off and on yesterday afternoon, but I don't think we got any more rain overnight.
A little bit.
It was very humid. But we're ready to go, hike back out. This is a beautiful hike. It has incredible views, beautiful forest and wildflowers. It has a little bit of everything. We highly recommend this as a day hike, 8 miles round trip, or it's even better as an overnight like we did. Really highly recommend this hike. It's 11:30 a.m. and we've made it back to the trailhead, to the campground in our truck. If you enjoyed this video and found the information useful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. We have lots more videos coming out soon. So, as I always say, get out there and hug a tree.